Hi. If you are launching home sales in 2021 and in 2022, this information will be useful to include in your sales and marketing collateral, especially if you want to connect with target audiences. Research World released the top 10 consumer habits in 2020, and it has identified what is expected to gain traction moving forward. Build Back Better, for example. Consumers are demanding for companies to consider caring beyond revenue and instead show how they are protecting the interests of society, our health, and the planet. So you need to find ways of incorporating this into your design. Craving convenience. How easily can home buyers access the information online? Today, digital imagery is essential, and it must be created in volumes to stand out across all channels to give buyers a seamless shopping journey. Outdoor oasis. Outdoor spaces for leisure and recreation will be the new obsession. People will be moving out of the dense cities to countrysides for this reason. And for those staying in the urban areas, we must give them green spaces and outdoor amenities. Phygital reality. How can you connect their digital and physical needs? Now, more than ever, people are shopping online, ordering food delivery, exercising at home, and having virtual work meetings. We need to consider how to create an easy merger between their physical space and the digital presence. Playing with time. People now are forced to be more creative with their time and need to offer solutions that can increase their flexibility. Think about ways to add automation at home, and you can achieve this by incorporating smart appliances in your packages. Safety obsessed. This is a new wellness movement. The fear of infection is real, and it depends for products that can increase hygiene. You can provide water filtering systems and surface materials that are toxic and bacteria-free. Shaken and stirred is another term. Consumers have been tested during the pandemic, and they have a better understanding of themselves, so the cookie-cutter approach is not going to work anymore. You have to dig deeper into identifying your target demographic because decisions will not be made solely on the selection of a dark or a light color scheme. The thoughtful thrifter. Consumers are being cautious and frugal with their purchases, so you must prioritize in added value options across all economic sectors. You can achieve great design if you focus on quality and not just brand. Workplaces in new spaces. The working from home aspect is here to stay. You must give home buyers far more than just a den or desk space. Today, the office space can be one of the features that actually sells the home. And how companies respond. If you want to connect with consumers on an emotional level, you need to offer options for affordable and added value products. So share this with your marketing messages and make it a standout. And there you have it. Trust that you can achieve all of these strands with clever design solutions and without spending extra money. You will just have to consider working with new vendors and new suppliers, and to be open to hear new design ideas from us.